takes down and build them up with Brent. Roll the footage. Typically, on mine explorations, it's me finding whatever's in the bottom of my pocket or my backpack. There's tons of clips of me chomping on stuff in mines. I can honestly tell you I have no idea what it was. It was probably some leftover snack that I was glad to find. I've never had a gourmet ribeye steak with chimichurri sauce, homemade fry sauce, Yukon Gold potatoes. I don't even want to explore any more mines after this because they're all going to be a huge letdown because nobody's going to be able to top this. This mine exploration is very bougie. Let's just put it that way. Even the asparagus is fantastic. I guarantee this is going to be one of the best bites of steak I've ever had. I'm a big toppings guy, and chimichurri sauce is actually one of my probably top 5 favorite things from food. It's actually from Argentina, Brazil. It's mixed like garlic and parsley and different stuff like that. This absolutely makes the steak. See. I'm so glad we responded to this email. I don't respond to a lot of emails, but this one stood out. So, about to shoot the homemade cannon. This place is the greatest.
Homemade cannon, half a cup black powder with a fuse in the end of it, bowling ball loaded on top of it, and we're going to chuck it about 500 yards at a bolt. See if we can get lucky.
Where you going, Psycho?
What are they? Hey? What are they doing? You better? Oh my God! What are they doing?
Who's that, Tiko? It's a little birdie. Oh, it's a little birdie.
Now, on the other side, we know that a magnet can create a very strong push as well, or the opposite of attraction. We've all tried to press two magnets together, only to find that there is an invisible force preventing you from.
It's a little birdie.
An electric motor is
Yeah.
harnessing that
Do you like him?
push and pull to spin the rotor. But you can't get a constant rotation without introducing electromagnets through the part. And
What's
that's
that?
where things get freaky.
Oh, it's a little birdie. Isn't it, Bubba?
That is, until we flow an electric current through the common at which point it becomes an electromagnet.
Is that your little friend? Ah, Tiko loves his dinosaur. Yeah, you funny little boy. You wake him up. Yay! What's he doing? Hey? Oh, he loves Tiko. He loves you, doesn't he? Hey? Oh, kisses. You love the teddy, do you, Tiko? Do you love the teddy? Kiss for the teddy? Oh, what a good boy. Kiss for Teddy. Mwah! Oh, kisses for the teddy. Oh, and cuddles too. What a good boy. You want more? Kisses? Oh, he loves the teddy. He loves the teddy. Kiss? Oh. Clever. Oh yes, the toilet roll. That's good, isn't it? Do, 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 do. Go Tiko. You're a nut. You're a nut. Yeah.
Okay. Do you believe the government when it says that the radiation levels are low? You don't believe the government?
Go Tiko. It's good, yes. You're very clever.
One track down there, and the next track is 6-7 feet away.
Hi.
Wow, I hate how my own imagination gets to me these times, but I can see what
Yes, it's good, Tiko. You're very clever. Yay. Yes, it's good.
Indicators that the track may have been made by a Sasquatch is the distance between the strata. It's often as long as 5 to 7 feet.
what this tourist I find interesting is
Yeah, you can dance.
travel.
Yes, it's good, Tiko.
It's not all that difficult. There's lots of big spaces between
It's good. You're very clever.
the ground. Something about this forest you can't say. Seems to affect the psyche. It just
So clever the way you can use things like make things into tools and
ever since the day I showed
turn your
up,
toys into rocking horses. It's good, yes.
But feelings
You're very, very clever.
although they might be indicated. Just what do they indicate?
It's good. You're clever. Yep, it's good.
I think I can tell. You see,
You do wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
in terms of the powers,
You go wiggle, wiggle.
so you know why
You wiggle, wiggle, Tiko.
I see this tree and look at the way the limbs are gouged and broken off.
It's good. You're very, very clever. And you can dance too.
Yeah, limbs are all broken off to the very same height. Instantly, I know that Bigfoot.
Wiggle, wiggle. Yay, wiggle, wiggle.
That's definitely
Clever boy.
breaking limbs.
Yeah.
Maybe even ticked up. Then I step back. Look at the
It's
big
good.
picture.
Yes, you're very clever.
You know what I noticed?
What is it? Hey? Is it good?